Good morning and a pleasant morning here in Wydome. This is the mother Twai, the Wydome, and that provides us fish. And you could see it's the mist rising up from this water. It's getting warmer, but this morning is very cold and chill as compared to the other morning. This is the place where we put our fishing hook, and there we're checking, make sure the bait is not finished. We use yam, chabu as bait. It was very cold here now today this morning compared to the other morning. Full cloud and fog rising. So we're gonna cross to the other end and we're gonna fish using the locally available niang kind of worms. Stick to the rock here. Rapid of Umngot, or Rapid of Umngot. They took niang you for a cast as a career. Nigga claim chai. You can't get that singer on you should open the step. And quite check them stack and have I can be my slap and then slap. I run his nigga and I step there, Ramu, he got more. You should bang for a cast as a career. This is one thing I've learned, a new thing that I've learned. Niang mo. And this is our fishing rod. This is our weapons to catch it. Let's go. Welcome to the Chow Chow of Wydome. This is one of the exciting point, high flow of the water here in Umngot. And here we have to speak slowly because our head anglers is there in wallet hiding and casting the baits in the kriang. Look at the dam. The dam was scary. You look at the dam. The dam. Bang, no track now. Chem now. And then our hang nan you know, Mano Twai, Jawa, and here. Jingkhwe kriang niang, the poms is a kriang. And that will Hajai the large mud, we are chatting for the possibility of background. This is how we fish angling in the rapids of the river of the